In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Temu orders. If you've placed an order on Temu and want to check where it is, review what you bought, or confirm the estimated delivery date, the process is very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in the Temu app and what information you can expect to see once you open your order history. To get started, open the Temu app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you're using the app itself, since that's where these order details are easiest to access. Once the app is open, sign in to your Temu account if you haven't already. It's important to log into the same account you used when placing the order, otherwise your purchase history may not appear. After you're signed in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap You. This section is where Temu keeps your personal account information, settings, and shopping activity. From there, find and tap your orders, or in some versions of the app, it may simply say Orders. Both options take you to the same general area where your purchase history is stored. Once you open the Orders section, you'll see your recent purchases listed there. In most cases, the newest orders appear at the top, so if you're looking for something you just bought, it should be one of the first items you see. This makes it easy to quickly find your latest order without needing to scroll through older purchases. If you want more information about a specific purchase, tap on that order. This will open the full order details page. Here you can check the current order status, which helps you see whether the item is still being processed, has shipped, or has already been delivered. You can also view tracking information, which is useful if you want to follow the shipment's progress. In addition to tracking, the order details page also shows the items you purchased, so you can confirm exactly what was included in that order. You'll also typically see the estimated delivery date, giving you a better idea of when your package should arrive. If you don't immediately see the order you're looking for, double check that you're signed into the correct account. That's often the main reason an order seems to be missing. And that's how to find Temu orders. Once you know where the You section and Orders page are, checking your purchase history becomes quick and easy.